Hello, happy Tuesday. We are going to do a thumbs up if the word rhymes, a thumbs down if the word does not rhyme. Please repeat them after I get done. Sick, pick. Thumbs up, very good. Poke, joke. Very good, it's a thumbs up. Weak, peak. Thumbs up, very good. Last one. Tuck, took. Thumbs down, very good. All right, moving on. I'm going to say 2 words, and I want you to give me 3 more that begin with the same sound or onset. Vase, vine. Very good. Rich, run. Very good. Last one. Quiz, quit. Very good. Now I'm going to break apart a word, and I want you to give me the word that I'm saying. Packing. Packing. Very good. Up-ing. Mopping. Very good. Last one. It-ing. Hitting. Very good. Right now, you're going to break apart a word that I say. Chopping. Very good. Ch-up-ing. Chopping. Thanking. Very good. A-ing. Thanking. All right, I'm going to say a word. Please repeat it. Leaning. Now add k to the beginning. Cleaning. Very good. Teaming. Now add s to the beginning. Steaming. Very good. Lashing. Now add sp to the beginning. Splashing. Very good. All right, last one. Laying. Now add p to the beginning. Playing. Very good. All right, see you guys tomorrow.